welcome to Programming in Excel with VBA Code. My name is Adam Allard, and in this course we are going to be learning a lot about VBA code, what it means to program in Excel, and so on and so forth. So as I said, my name is Adam Allard. This YouTube channel is called Pragmatic Ways, and I also have a website at www.pragmaticways.com where you can learn a whole bunch of more things on Excel or even programming in general. If you want to maybe learn some actual programming code other than VBA and learn how to possibly be a software engineer one day. That's mainly what my website focuses on, but like I said, the main point of today's course is specifically geared for programming in Excel, and to do that, we're going to be learning the VBA code and how to do that. So why would we want to learn VBA code, and why should we learn how to code in Excel? It's really great for automating a lot of repetitive tasks. You know, if you have to perform, if you work on like some company form or some company Excel sheet, and you have to insert a title and it has to be formatted in the exact same way every single time, and you find yourself repeatedly doing the same task over and over again for all these different reports. Well, we could create a VBA macro, and essentially it would you would be able to automatically perform that same formatting task on these titles with a click of a button, essentially. So it's really great at automating a lot of repetitive tasks. It's really great at creating complex formulas or functions. You know, Excel comes with a lot of pre-built functions and formulas for you, like the sum equals sum or whatever, and you can add the total sum of a list of columns or whatever else. But sometimes we have custom formulas that aren't pre-built in Excel, and we can use VBA code to create these automatic functions for us. We can extend the actual interface of Excel itself, and we can create our own custom toolbar buttons or custom menu options. And then perhaps we work in, a big office where there's a whole different level of experienced users. Some people are really good at Excel, but other people aren't the most tech savvy. They don't really know how to work their way around a computer too often. And when you're giving them a corporate form or a corporate Excel sheet, you don't want to give them the full power of accidentally deleting a whole list of formulas or completely screwing up the whole formatting or whatever else. So what we could do then is create a very complex macro-enabled Excel sheet that would really simplify the front end for the user. So we could hand this to the people who aren't that tech savvy, and there'd be a lot less risk for them to sort of mess something up. So we can see there's a lot of uses with VBA code and learning how to really maximize the full efficiency of creating all these different macros and programming inside of Excel. It can be a very, very powerful tool once you learn all these neat little tricks. So stick around in this course and we'll end up learning a lot.